All right, sender policy framework in 60 seconds. Go. What is sender policy framework? Well, ultimately, it's a setting in the DNS, and it's going to do two things for you. Number one, it's going to keep your email from getting blocked for the people you're sending. So email deliverability, it's going to ensure that. Second, it's going to keep people from being able to spoof off of you, basically represent you in the form of an email. It's pretty simple how it works. It's basically, it knows the IP address of where your email server is, and if mail tries to come from another source, it won't allow it. It's beautiful for the market, and I think February of this year, Google and Yahoo implemented the policy where you can't send to Google accounts or to Yahoo accounts unless you have that right. So if your emails aren't getting delivered, if you're having a problem, hit me up and read my blog. It's going to be below.